Losing power on the highway and seeing that check engine light flash? If you drive a modern turbo gas or diesel truck, you might be looking at trouble code P047C. This code stands for Exhaust Pressure Sensor B Low Input. This issue is very common on American roads, especially starting around 2005 on Ford trucks with the 6.0-liter diesel, Ford EcoBoost engines, and the Cummins 6.7-liter diesels. This code tells you that the electrical signal from the exhaust pressure sensor does not match the intake manifold pressure or ambient air pressure when you turn the key on. This is purely an electrical circuit fault. You might also see code P047B at the same time, but always start diagnosing the C code first, because it is strictly electrical. Symptoms of code P047C include the check engine light turning on and a severe lack of engine power. If you drive a diesel, your truck might be unable to perform a manual regeneration, which is the process of burning the soot out of the diesel particulate filter. If you ignore this, the filter gets clogged, and your truck might eventually crank but refuse to start. The potential causes are usually an open wire in the signal circuit or power supply circuit between the exhaust pressure sensor and the powertrain control module. It could also be a short to ground, a faulty sensor, or in very rare cases, a bad engine computer. To fix this, always start by checking for a technical service bulletin for your specific vehicle. Automakers often release software updates to fix this exact issue. Next, locate the exhaust pressure sensor on your engine. Inspect the wires for rubbing, burn spots, or melted plastic from the hot exhaust. Pull the connectors apart and look at the metal terminals inside. If they look green and corroded, clean them with electrical contact cleaner or 91% rubbing alcohol and a plastic brush. Once dry, apply some dielectric silicone compound to protect them. Clear the codes with a scan tool and see if the problem comes back. If it does, you need to test the wires. Disconnect the sensor and use a digital volt ohm meter to test the 5-volt power supply circuit. Put the red lead to the power wire and the black lead to a good ground. You should see 5 volts. If you see 12 volts, there is a short to power that needs to be fixed. If the wiring is good, the sensor itself is likely dead and needs to be replaced. Electrical troubleshooting can be tricky. If your truck goes into limp mode or refuses to regenerate, get it to a professional diesel technician immediately to avoid ruining your expensive exhaust filters. Take care of your truck, and it will take care of you on the road.